This is the Foras Hazel bird feeder in antique copper finish. To undo the feeding chamber, hold with your left hand the collar at the base, turn anti-clockwise to remove the top section, and we're going to fill through here. I've used a cut-off plastic bottle to use as a funnel. Fill your plastic bottle, hold your finger over the end just to prevent the seed coming out until you're ready. Line it up and fill up the feeder from the base. When you've got the feeder full, replace the feeder base. Make sure you've got the threads lined up. Rotate clockwise until it's fully locked in position. Turn over and you're ready to hang in your tree.